I am on Celebrity Reflection and I am on a 3 night cruise staying in an interior room. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, to the right of the door, you'll find your light switch for the room. As you come further into the room, you'll see this door here. Next to the door will be the thermostat and the light switch for what's inside this room is your bathroom. Right away, you'll see your towels to the left, your body towels, and your hand towels. Be careful that there is a step up going into the bathroom. You have shelving here. You'll find your hair dryer, some glasses, and your countertop. On top of the counter will be your soap and your face or washcloths, and additional storage beneath the counter, and a big mirror on top of the counter. This corner you will find some tissue. Here is your toilet, and here is your shower. For those individuals who do not care for shower curtains, this would be the shower for you. Looks like a nice size shower. You will find your conditioner, your shampoo, and your shower gel in here. As we come out of the bathroom, once again, watch your step. Come out of the bathroom, coming further into the room, we find this standing mirror here, nice size standing mirror. As we come around this corner, we will find the closet. And this closet, you'll find your hangers. At the bottom, I think it's plenty of storage for a couple of pieces of luggage. I'm the only one in this room. I have one more luggage coming. I think it is good enough storage for me. Next, we will find the bed. Now, next to the bed on each side, you'll find storage, and each side also has lamps. Here you will find on this side your telephone and the remote control for the TV. Here is your wastebasket. Here is your TV with some storage here. And below the counter, you will find additional storage. Here is your safe. Here is your fridge. Now, there are items in this fridge. It is probably left from the individual before me. And right in front of this unit here, you'll find a little table and this couch. I love interior rooms that has couches, and it's enough to have more than one person here, as this also pulls out to be a bed at the bottom. Now, in front of the couch, we will find the desk, and you'll find a mirror. Above it is going to be some lighting and a chair. And at the side, you'll find your outlets right here. So I am going to do a once over of the room. So what do you think about the room? I think it is a nice size room, and I love the fact that it has a sofa in the room. Sometimes you don't want to sit on the bed, you don't want to sit on the chair at the desk. It's great to have this sofa. Let me know what you think. Leave something in the comments. Can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel and help me to produce further content just like this. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.
Paul B from NYC, suitcase in hand. Your travel agent with the ultimate plan. Travel with me, PMB will make each moment last. Happy travels on the horizon, let go of the